In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive account in mobile. If you use more than one Google account, switching between them in the Drive app is quick and helps keep your work and personal files organized. I'll walk you through the process and share a few useful tips so you know exactly what to expect at each step. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Give it a moment to load your current files and folders. A stable internet connection will make this smoother, but even on slower networks, the option to switch accounts will still appear. You can follow along on either Android or iOS. The steps look and feel almost the same. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. If you haven't set a photo, you'll see your account's first initial inside a colored circle. Tap that profile icon once. This opens a small panel that shows the Google account currently active in Drive, along with a list of other accounts already signed in on your device. From this list, simply tap the account you want to use. The moment you select it, Drive switches over to that account. You'll notice the profile icon changes, and your file list refreshes to show the folders, shared drives, and recent items that belong to the account you chose. If you manage multiple workspaces or share devices, take a quick look at the email address and profile icon color to confirm you're in the right place before making changes or uploads. If you don't see the account you want in the list, it usually means that account isn't set up on your device yet. In that case, make sure it's been added to your phone's accounts so it can appear in Drive. Once it's available on the device, it will show up in this same menu for fast switching in the future. A couple of tips as you work. Switching accounts in Drive changes only the files and storage linked to that specific account. It doesn't automatically switch your account in other Google apps. Your offline files remain associated with the account where you saved them, so if something seems to be missing after a switch, it may live under a different account. For shared or work devices, it's a good habit to double-check the active account before uploading sensitive documents. That's all there is to it. Open Drive, tap your profile icon, and select the account you want. With these quick steps and checks, you'll move between accounts confidently and keep your files exactly where they belong.